Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on a brighter side.
This week we're tackling the topic that affects us all, comparison. It's a source of inspiration or insecurity. We're going to explore how to use comparisons to set realistic goals and how to be mindful of where we are on our journey without falling into the trap of negativity.
Absolutely, Sean. We all find ourselves comparing at some point. Let's start by asking, when you compare yourself to others, is it to find inspiration or to judge yourself? Worse, to judge others. It's crucial to identify our intentions behind these comparisons. For example, I once had a friend who felt inadequate because he couldn't find a stable job as good as his other classmates. Instead of inspiring him, it made him feel less committed to his own job search journey.
That's a great point, MJ. This is where comparisons can become unhealthy. They can undermine our confidence and sense of self. But if we reframe our perspective and focus on inspiration, we can look at others' dedication and think, what can I learn from them? It's about finding motivation without self-criticism and feeling insecure.
Exactly. Now let's shift to the emotional side of things. I remember struggling with my emotional resilience, often comparing myself to others who always seemed so calm. So this type of comparison is really beneficial because it showed me that if others can stay calm and practice self-control, I can too, right? So I just need to do my best in every situation and face each challenge head on.
Yes, recognizing that everyone's emotional journey is unique is key. Instead of feeling inferior, we can learn from how others cope. Adopting healthy practices from those we admire. It can help us grow without the pressure of competition, which was our topic last week.
Now, let's discuss the physical aspect of comparison, which is a big topic, especially with the influence of social media. Many people compare their bodies to fitness influencers or celebrities, leading to unrealistic expectations and feelings of insecurity.
So true. But healthy comparisons can help us set realistic fitness goals, or any other goals. But rather than focusing on perfection, we can look at others' journeys for inspiration. It's about celebrating progress, no matter how small.
Wow. Lastly, we can't forget the social aspect. It can be tough not to compare our social circles or relationship with others. Have you ever felt left out when you see your friends seem to belong in larger groups? Remember, it's about the quality of relationship, not the quantity.
Exactly, MJ. Healthy social comparison is recognizing that everyone has different needs and dynamics. Just because someone has a bigger friend group doesn't mean your close relationships are any less valuable.
So, in summary, comparison can be a powerful tool for growth or a source of insecurity. The key is to ask ourselves, am I using this comparison to uplift myself or to tear myself down?
Wow, what a powerful question. Tune into your feelings. If comparisons encourage growth, great. If they trigger insecurity, it might be time to take a step back. Remember the saying, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your journey is unique and deserves to be celebrated.
Well said, Sean. Thank you everyone for joining us today, bright and early. Still foggy here. Stay true to your own path and embrace your individual journey. Until next time, guys. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.